Dear sirs, in reply to your letter of yesterday, we beg to state that the bill of lading and the bill of exchange were forwarded to you by first post on Tuesday morning last, in registered letter addressed as usual, and we are surprised that they have not reached you. We will make inquiries here, and in the meantime, if you receive the letter, kindly inform us by wire at once. Referring to our letter of the 27th ult and your reply to same, we have written the works pressing them to give early attention to the matter and to make the necessary arrangements for forwarding the goods to the finishers as soon as ready. We have instructed the latter to give the material the best finish, and we have no doubt they will do so. We have also mentioned your complaint as to the finish of the last consignment, and we are assured that special care will be taken to prevent a repetition of the mistake in the future. Yours faithfully.